My camera's right here, so. Well, there's one down here, though. I don't want her to run off and leave it. And one flew into this log. There she goes right there. Hi, sweetie. It's okay, hon. I'm not going to hurt you. Good mama. Good mama. Good girl. It's going to go to your baby. Good girl, Mom. Look at that. Isn't that something? Hi, sweetie pie. Yes, I love you so much. She's just a beautiful little girl. Good girl. The dilemma is that trail camera and that grouse. She's about 15 feet from me. So we're gonna go up to the road and leave them alone. I'll get this camera later.